In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Fidelity account. By the end, you'll feel confident signing in and reaching all the key areas of your investments, retirement plans, and workplace benefits using one secure set of credentials. Start by heading to the Fidelity Investments login page. You can type the site address directly into your browser or search for Fidelity Investments login and select the official result. Before you proceed, take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate site. Look for a secure connection indicator in your browser, such as the padlock icon next to the web address. This quick check helps protect your information. On the login page, you'll see fields for your username and password. Enter your username exactly as you created it. Then enter your password carefully. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so verify that caps lock isn't on by accident. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill securely to avoid typos. Keep your login details private and never share them over email or text. Once your username and password are in, select Log In. After a moment, you'll be taken into your account. With these same Fidelity credentials, you can access a range of accounts in one place. That includes your standard brokerage accounts for trading and investing, individual retirement accounts like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs for tax-advantaged retirement savings, and your workplace plans such as 401k accounts. You can also reach managed accounts like Fidelity Go, as well as net benefits for employer-sponsored benefits. The key takeaway is that one username and password unlock your entire Fidelity relationship, so you don't have to juggle multiple logins. If you can't remember your username or password, don't worry. On the login screen, select the Forgot Username or Password link. You'll be guided through identity verification to reset access. Follow each prompt carefully. You may be asked to confirm information associated with your profile to ensure the account is protected. Take your time, answer accurately, and complete the steps in the same browser session to avoid starting over. When you're prompted to create a new password, choose something strong and unique that you don't use anywhere else. That's it. Go to the Fidelity Investments login page, enter your username and password, and click Log In. Use the same credentials to access your brokerage accounts, IRAs, Roth IRAs, 401k, and workplace plans, Fidelity Go, and net benefits. And if you forget your details, use the Forgot link and complete the verification steps to regain access. Thanks for watching, and take care of your credentials to keep your financial information secure.